Okay, welcome to the first part in my new Cinema4D MoGraph tutorial series. Today I'm just going to show you how to find MoGraph in Cinema4D and what it actually is or does, with a few examples. Okay, if you go to the top of your Cinema4D window, you'll find MoGraph somewhere around middle right. Okay, if you click on it, you get a drop down menu. Here you have all the objects, the MoGraph objects, and all those objects can be affected by different effectors, which you can find here. And yeah, MoGraph is simply a way to do cool effects, cool stuff with your 3D world without modeling. Okay, for example, let's take MoText. Okay, let's say Yahoo or Google or anything, or just something, say. And then you could, for example, go to MoGraph again, effectors, the random effector, and if then the MoText, if you go to letters here, effects, random, it's a random effector, and here you can then affect your MoGraph object. Okay, so for example, we could say change the position to a random position, so, and then you've got your MoGraph object, your text, MoText changed. Okay, so that's basically what MoGraph does. Okay, let me show you another example. One thing that's often used is the cloner object. This object clones several objects along a spline or just in a grid or something. So create a cube, drag it underneath the cloner, and let's say go to object, grid array. Okay, this will clone all the cubes in a grid. So now without modeling, you've got this nice cube. And for example, if you'd say go to the cloner and you'd make it to a bigger size, you can have all cubes separated from each other, which looks quite cool. Okay, and then of course again you can go to MoGraph effectors, to the random effector. Here you can find it in effectors, random effector, and then again you can just give the random position. Okay, all the things you can do is, for example, choose rotation, give it random rotations, and yeah, that's basically what MoGraph does. It creates cool effects, cool stuff without you have to model something. And well, this was the first part. Next parts I will show you what every object actually does. Like for example, I will go through every object and most of the effectors to show you the cool stuff you can do with it. So yeah, see you next time.